Economic Offences Cell of Goa Police has registered FIR against the accused Prakash Motwani and Lata Motwani. Both are native of Mumbai for allegedly cheating the complainant to the tune of 4 crore rupees on pretext of investment in a hotel project at Candolim. This is case of EOC that the complainant had invested an amount of 2.5 crore rupees with all the accused as a partner for the investment in the hotel project at Candolim with the promise that 15% of the profit will be paid to the complainant. But between 2019 till 2024, the accused persons failed to pay the profit share to the complainant, which amounts over 4 crore rupees. Along with the prime accused Prakash Motwani and Lata Motwani, EOC has also booked accused persons namely Neil D'Souza and Aubrey D'Souza, both from Kalangut, Jacqueline Johnson John from Karanjalim Panji, Rosemary Waj from Panjim, Ismail Sheikh from Bardej, and Amit Bajaj from Delhi. Investigation in this case is going on. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.